Welcome back to all. Let us go for today's lecture. Tell me, what is the name of this insect? Yeah, it's honey bee. It is an insect which stores honey. Tell me its few characteristics of this honey bee. They are small in size. They produce half a kilo of honey per year. They are not domestic species as they frequently change their place. Tell me how the honeycomb looks like. This is the honeycomb. Tell me its structure of honeycomb. This is the structure of honeycomb. This structure is termed as hexagon structure. Hexagon structure is the structure of honeycomb. Now tell me how the graphite seed looks like in 2 dimension. This is the 2-dimensional graphite seed. What is graphite? Graphite is a crystalline allotrope which is made up of carbon atoms. Carbon atoms are closely packed in a regular atomic scale hexagonal pattern. Now can you guess what is the topic to be discussed by today? Yeah, it is about the crystal structure, particularly hexagonal structure. Exactly, now we are going to discuss about hexagonal closely packed structure, that is called HCP structure. This is the HCP unit cell. This has 3 planes of atom. One is bottom plane, another one is middle plane, third one is top plane. Let us discuss about lattice point of HCP unit cell. HCP unit cell has 6 corner lattice points in its bottom plane. It also has another 6 corner lattice point in its top plane. Moreover, it has 3 lattice point in its middle plane and it has 2 lattice point in end-centered position. Its lattice parameter is, that is, its alpha and beta, interfacial angle alpha and beta equal to 90 degree, its gamma equal to 120 degree. Characteristics of unit cell. We are going to calculate the following characteristics of the HCP unit cell. One is number of atoms per unit cell. Second, coordination number. Third one, atomic radius. Fourth one, calculation of C/A ratio. Next one, atomic packing factor. Let us calculate number of atoms per unit cell. Each corner atom is shared by 6 unit cell. So, each corner atom has 1 by 6th atom. Upper plane has 6 corner. 6 into 1 by 6, 1 atom. Similarly, bottom plane has 1 atom. Middle plane has 3 complete atom. 2 end-centered position. Each end-centered atom has half atom. So half into 2 end-centered atom, 1. 1 by 2 into 2, 1. So the total number of atom is 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1, 6. Next, let us calculate coordination number. Coordination number, it is nothing but number of equidistant nearest neighbors. Imagine this is one unit cell over which another unit cell is kept. Below this unit cell, another one more unit cell is kept. Imagine this face-centered atom is the reference atom. It has 6 number of equidistant nearest neighbors in its plane. Moreover, it has 3 equidistant nearest neighbor in its upper middle plane. Similarly, it has 3 equidistant nearest neighbor in its below or lower middle plane. So total number of equidistant nearest neighbors 3 plus 6 plus 3, 12. So frequently people are asking in a university question, prove that the packing factor is equal for HCP and FCC structure. Now we are calculating C/A ratio. This is the bottom or top plane of HCP unit cell. all the sides are equal, which is A. Now we are splitting into 6 parts. This is one part of base plane. AOB represent one part of the base plane. We are drawing these two lines. Again we are extending this line for A distance. This point is C. This intercept point is X. Now the distance between C and X is C by 2. It represents the distance between bottom and middle plane. We know cos 30 degree equal to AY by AB. This is AY, this is AB. So AY equal to AB cos 30 degree. We know the value for AB is A. We know the value for cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. We are substituting and finally we get AY equal to root 3 by 2A. Next, we are considering the triangle ABO, this triangle. So we know AX equal to 2 by 3 times of AY. So AX equal to 2 by 3 into the calculated value AY. The calculated value AY is root 3 by 2 into A. So we are substituting and calculated AX equal to A by root 3. Next, again we are considering the same triangle and we are using the Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square equal to AX square plus CX square. We know the value for AX, we calculated already. AX equal to A by root 3. We know the value for CX, it is C by 2. We are substituting this AX and CX value here. We know AC value also, AC equal to A. So we are substituting all these three values. A square equal to A by root 3 whole square plus C by 2 whole square. Finally, if we simplify, we are getting C square by A square equal to 8 by 3. So C by A equal to root of 8 by 3, its value is 1.633. Now we have calculated C by A value for HCP unit cell, its value is 1.633. We know the formula for packing factor. Packing factor is defined as it is the ratio of volume of atoms divided by volume of unit cell. First, let us calculate volume of atoms. We know it has total number of atoms is 6. We know atomic radius also A by 2. Now we are calculating this numerator, that is volume of atoms. Volume of atom equal to 6 into volume of one atom. Okay. So here atom is considered in the sphere shape. So we are using volume of sphere here. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. We know atomic radius r equal to A by 2. We are substituting this r value here and simplified. Finally, we are getting volume of atom, that is numerator is pi a cube. Next, we are calculating the denominator, that is volume of unit cell. This is the base plane. Volume of the unit cell is calculated by using this formula, that is area of base into height of hexagon. It gives the volume of HCP unit cell. First, let us calculate area of base, that is triangle AOB. Area of triangle is of BH, that is of into base into height. Here the base is OB, height is AY. We are substituting these values. AB is A and OB is A and AY is root 3 by 2A. Already we have calculated. So finally, if you simplify, you will get area of base is 3 root 3 by 2 A square. Here you substitute area of base into height of hexagon. We know height of hexagon is C. So this is volume of unit cell. Now we are substituting both numerator and denominator. That is atomic packing factor. Calculated numerator by A cube. This is calculated denominator. If you simplify, finally you will get a number that is 0.74. That is 74%. The meaning for atomic packing factor is 74% is, that is 74% of volume of unit cell is occupied by atom. Remaining percentage of volume of unit cell is vacant only. There is no atom. It is empty. That is the meaning for atomic packing factor. So this atomic packing factor, this 74%, which is equal to atomic packing factor for HCP. It is also 74%. Hence, we prove atomic packing factor for FCC and HCP is equal. Thank you.